Cassidy's Future of Nature. Rainbows are natural. Sky is natural. Flowers are natural. Grass is natural. Trees are natural. Bushes are natural. Deers are natural. Squirrels are natural. The end.